What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Panchos Garage. Today I'm working on the interior, specifically like the rear hatch area. So I'm getting all the plastics ready. As you guys saw, I was actually cutting this guy right here because this little piece, it was already cracking and it was already bending. I think by factory it should have been cut. So now that it's cut there, it actually fits great. And once this guy's over here, you know, you won't see any of this, so that's cool. I'm happy with that. So I got this guy, the two quarter panel pieces, and that one that I'm gonna go and install today. Oh, and the one that goes back here by the taillights. I'm gonna do all that, but before that, I'm actually going to change the color. I'm not gonna have a black interior like every other Z out there. So what we're gonna use is SEM vinyl spray thing, and we're gonna do gray. So I guess to do it, you need a couple things. I gotta clean them up, prep them, then put some adhesion promoter, and then finally the paint. So I guess it's a 4-step process. Yeah, so that's basically the plan. Clean it, prep it, put that, and then this, and put it back on the car. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I gave it its first couple coats. I know I have like 2 or 3 more cans. This one's out. I don't know where the other 2 are for now, but at least I got the base coat. The only thing that needs to be done is just give it a couple more extra coats, cover them up. They don't look too bad. I really like the color. These I gave it in the face coats before I ran out of paint. You guys can see like these little ones. It's a nice little gray. Let's see if you guys can see it with the black and the blue. So if I set it there, you can see the gray with the blue, kinda. So you can give yourself an idea. Put this panel there. That one's already painted gray. That still needs a couple more coats, but just so you get an idea. And yeah, so I'm gonna look around for those. I don't know where I put them, but once I find them, I'm gonna give them more coats and then install this. So I'll see you guys in a moment once everything's all painted and I can start reassembling them. Alright, so here's the final product. I got all the interior panels basically in. Back one, the side one's there. The one up top here, I still haven't finalized it, and the reason for that is on the dome light here. I still need to grind this down a little bit. It's got a little too much plastic, so I can fit the dome light in there. And then these little wires that are hanging here, I gotta tuck them in some, just enough so that they connect here to the little little pin here on the hatch. But yeah, so the missing piece that goes there, plus the ones here, I have they're getting reupholstered to this correct color, so that the rest of the interior is also gray. So, but yeah, so rear side pretty much done. A couple little adjustments here and there, but nothing too crazy. And yeah, so the interior is coming along. I decided not to cover these. I'm gonna leave these out blue, just make sure they're nice and clean and shiny. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the change of color. The SEM products work pretty good. I mean, they scratch. I mean, you can't really scratch it and remove the paint. It works great. I'm very happy with the way the color, the way it came out. So yeah, just gotta keep moving forward with the project. I think next I'm gonna work on a bunch of wiring, maybe some other interior stuff. I don't know. I'll just whenever I just find a part, grab it, install it, keep going. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.